Welcome all of you to Ecovision Academy. Today I am claiming that I have become a psychologist. Now you will wonder and you will ask that how have I become a psychologist? So suppose I can predict your mind. If I have the ability to predict your mind, if I have the capacity and potential to predict your mind, I can do it by the help of mathematics. I don't know any type of magic or any type of jadoo tona, but I have some tricks of mathematics. By the help of that, I can actually predict your mind. So suppose if I am telling you to think about a number, just think about a number. In your mind, think about a number. After thinking about that number, you multiply that number with 2. You multiply that number with 2 and you have received the result. After multiplying the number with 2, the result that you have obtained, you have to add 14 to that result. You have to add 14 to that result. So you have received a result, right? You have a result now. Now the result that you have to divide that result with 2. You have to divide that result with 2. Divide that result with 2. And you have a result after dividing it by 2. So suppose I don't know the number what you have thought, but here you have a number after dividing it by 2. You have a number now. Now you just subtract the number that you have thought in the initial part. In the beginning, I have told you to think about a number. You might have thought 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 or 55 or 62 or 73, whatever. You just subtract that number. You just subtract that number with the result that you have after dividing it by 2. After dividing it by 2, the result that you have received, you just subtract the number which you have thought in the initial part, and your result will come as 7. Your result will come as 7. Suppose let me think that you have thought the number as 25. Okay, so at first what you have to do, you have to multiply it with 2. You will get 50, and then you have to add it. I told you to add 14 to it. You have to add 14. You will get 64, and after that I told you to divide by 2. So after dividing it by 2, you will get 32, and at the last part, what have I told you? I told you that the division, the result that you have received from the division, that is 32, you just subtract the actual number from it, that is 25, and you will get the result as 7, right? So this is a trick in mathematics by which you can actually predict the mind of your friends, the mind of anyone you want, and you can act as a psychologist. You can act as a person who has the intuition of their mind. Okay, you can actually act as a magician also. So in this way, this is another part of the magics of mathematics by Ecovision Academy. Stay tuned with us to learn such tricks and magics of mathematics. Thank you.